Washington, D.C.'s air defense just got a major upgrade with some cutting-edge AI cameras. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com, where my newsletter is free. So after 9/11, they set this system of cameras and lasers up to watch the skies around D.C., right? Well, now they're replacing those old cameras with new ones that use artificial intelligence. It's called the Enhanced Regional Situational Awareness System, or ERSA for short. These new cameras are seriously impressive. They got both regular and infrared views, and the picture quality is way better than before. Plus, the AI can automatically track and identify objects in the sky. But here's the really neat part. These cameras have a laser warning system. If an aircraft is somewhere it shouldn't be, they can shine a red-green laser at the cockpit to tell the pilot to change course. It's way cheaper than sending up fighter jets every single time. Now, right now they've got 2 of these new cameras up and running, with plans to add 7 more each year. It's pretty amazing how technology is helping keep our nation's capital safe, don't you think? More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not getting my newsletter already, all you have to do is open a browser, go to cyberguy.com and click the red button.